Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this session, I'm going to tell you about the free certification course for Python and SQL for data science. This course is offered by the Scalar Topics and this course is free. Once you complete the course, you will get a free certificate from the Scalar. If you want to learn the data science or you want to learn the Python or you just want to improve the skills, then this video is for you. So let's get started on how we can do a free certification on a Scalar topics and what are the modules which are included in this course. On a screen you can see I have opened a Scalar topics, the course Python and SQL for data science. So this course is a certification course and which is online and it is provided by the Scalar. About this free Python and SQL for data science course, introducing the free data science with Python and SQL certification course online. So you will get a certificate once you complete this course. This course is a comprehensive for beginners program designed to help aspiring data scientists learn the essential skills in the rapidly growing field of a data science. So if you are a beginner in this field, you will be able to understand each concept in this Python and SQL course for data science. So about this course, already 65k plus students have enrolled for this course. This course is a free and if you check, we have a certification included. If I want to check the sample certificate, you can see this is a sample certificate of excellence where you will get your name on a certificate. What you will learn in this course: data manipulation and cleaning using a Python library such as a NumPy and pandas. So NumPy and pandas are the important topics or important libraries which are available for the data science. You will be able to do the data analysis using these two libraries. Statistical analysis and implementation of a machine learning algorithms with the scikit-learn. Data visualization using Python libraries like matplotlib. SQL fundamentals including querying, data extraction and database management. So whenever there is data, it will be stored in a SQL. So you have to learn the SQL for data science because you have to perform the different operations on a data. If I go down, the total duration of this course is 14 hours and 46 minutes. It has 8 modules in total. So there are total 8 challenges, which is simply means that the quizzes it is for beginner level and certificate is included. If I go down, you can see there are different modules. In a first module, you will be able to understand the Python and SQL introduction. Then we have a Python, Anaconda and relevant package installation. Why we should learn a Python. Then different keywords and identifiers which are available in a Python. Then we will be able to learn the comment, indentation and statements. Variables and data types in Python. Then we have a input output, operators and different control flow statements. That is, if you want to do the condition in your Python script or Python code, then you can go with the control flow. If I go down in the second module, you can see we have a data structure. So data structure is simply means we have to manipulate the data or we have to store the data. So all that is included in this second module, which is a data structure. Then we have a functions in Python. Then we have a separate module for NumPy library where we will be able to understand the NumPy libraries and its functions. Then we have a matplotlib, which is used mostly for plotting the graphs and bar charts. Then we have a pandas, which is a library which is used for the data. Then we have a computational complexity in a module 7. After that, we have a last module, which is a module 8 in SQL. And in this, we will be able to understand the structured query language with the different databases. So these are the 8 modules which are available with this Scalar topic certificate. If I go down, you can see there are some premium program also, which will be paid. Then we have an instructor of this course, the details of that instructor, after that how many years of experience he has. Then we have some prerequisite. So while the free Python and SQL for data science certification course is designed to be beginner friendly, having some basic knowledge in the following areas can help. So you need a basic knowledge of a computer skills, you need a basic knowledge of a mathematics and statistics. Then foundational programming concept like variable, loops, conditional statements, those are already taught in this certification course, but still if you know that, that will be beneficial. Then we have a logical and analytical skills. So you need to think in a logical and analytical way for your problem. After that, we have a time management and commitment. So these are some of the prerequisites which are not exactly the technical related, but yeah, you need to know the basics of these skills. Why should learn this free Python and SQL course for beginners? It is a beginner friendly course. If you don't have any knowledge on Python or a data science, then this course is from you. Then you have a zero to hero. You will be able to understand this course from basic to advanced level. Then we have a suitable for intermediate learners. So those with prior Python knowledge can use this course to revise or deepen their understanding of a Python for data science. So if you know already about the Python and data science, you can just do this course and add the certificate in your resume, which will help you improve the skills. After that, we have a covers essential library and SQL concept of reinforcement. So in this course, you will able to learn the two basic things which are needed for the data science. First is a Python, which is used to do a manipulation coding or the logic, and second we have a SQL, which is used to store the data mostly. So if you want to fetch the data, read the data, or store the data in a databases, then SQL is for that. So this is how you can do a free certification course which is provided by the Scalar Topics for Python and SQL for data science. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, you can just like the video, share our video and subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon so that you don't miss any notification. If you have any questions, you can just drop them in a comment section. See you in the next video.